Hello, and welcome to Tiny Takes with Learning Technology, Student Takes Edition. In this episode, we will explore naming and organizing photo files and then creating a dynamic digital photo album using a creativity tool. First, let's talk about saving your photo files with specific names. Naming your files properly is crucial because it helps you identify and locate your photos quickly. When naming your files, use descriptive names that tell you what the photo is about. See the examples included on this slide. Including dates in your file names help keep track of when the photos are taken. Also, avoid using spaces in file names. Instead, use underscores or hyphens. This makes your files easier to manage and search. Next, let's create folders to organize our files. Organizing your photos into folders helps keep them grouped by events, dates, or themes, making it easier to navigate through your collection. Start by creating main folders for broad categories such as vacations, family events, and school events. Within these main folders, create subfolders for specific events or dates. For example, under school events, you might have subfolders like orchestra concerts. This structure will help you find your photos quickly and keep everything organized. Now that our photos are organized, let's choose a creativity program to create a digital photo album. CCISD has many user-friendly tools that allow you to design beautiful photo albums with ease. Our most commonly used programs are on the bottom of this slide and are all found through your SSO portal. You may want to look at all available programs to choose the one that will work best for your design preferences and needs. Here's how to create a digital photo album using Canva. First, you want to open Canva through your SSO portal. Click on the Design button in your menu bar to search for and choose a template from Canva's library. There are many templates to choose from, so pick one that suits your style. Upload photos. Upload your organized photos from your computer or cloud storage. Customize your album. Add text, stickers, and other design elements to personalize your album. You can arrange the photos, add captions, and record yourself talking to make it uniquely yours. Save and share. Once you're happy with your album, save it and share it with your friends and family. You can download it as a PDF or share it directly from Canva using the Share button. To recap, we have learned how to save our photo files with specific names, create folders to organize them, and use a creativity tool to create digital photo albums. These steps will help you keep your photos organized and create beautiful albums to share with others. I encourage you to start organizing your photos and explore different creativity tools. It's a fun and rewarding process that will help you preserve your memories in a meaningful way. Happy organizing! That concludes this episode on photo album assembly. Thanks for joining us on Tiny Takes with Learning Technology.